Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's a new video. The digital plant effect assessed management. The digital plant in effect assess management is with many other state power generator grants recognition, but guests have been advanced result in higher option in management course than what a quote the monthly salary understand type of teach enable transmission blessed technical explore the benefit of update digital information in key areas such optimization and monitors each security people management data management and many more result and effect names last name job title company recognition countries business email business phone mobile which the defense of company effect what is your Korea area fix I what you can and posture code by the submit information increase any personal identified data and corrupt and set guidance other people response your business and registration your first Asia series help at with then first what your business email confidence Asia average etc digital finances demat videos SP groups and next join Forex Smart City Digital Forex videos. The news of partnership any developer submit Stegri Smart City solution enable Stegri engine transmission and access Asia publicities and registration for business email to 11 March submit is other power generation information digital but higher optimization information and India is building the world's largest solar plants for 4.4 billions in employers is electric manufacturing company electric wall stars installation solar plant in North India city abroad March 2021 2021 electric hungers India fulfilling Search solar engine projector fuels grow and e-commerce use cheap menu choosing in forex technology read to once scan higher generation cost effect level Sun India hacker install solar plants capacity for message and make more than 20 watts and official features part of Prime Minister. The other process is being paid cost per unit electricity and what is the cost. The world watching Travelable India response to active grand party of our solar engine India World Bank Country Director Avans Rush said recently India has pertinent leaders and sweepers effect address climate change. He told Engineer December the drive and hope power engine with 2011 creation national solar missing the correct language and government leaders corruption parties at the sweet target 20-watt guide connected solar plant 200 garage Chennai such roof plants by 2021 to the board strip from highly powerful improvements. The next staggering example will see India building world's largest solar plant generation, solar device and optimization system 202 billions of rupees 4.4 billion summer plant costed our next 7 years will be recorded price to 5.0 5.5 rupees is ours that's projector cells vary word and expert trading view publisher running plant the sweeping project make company is very large scroll power projector generation cells between better plugging. The price tag was also financial Chakwat and plant based Gujranwala, Gujarat and access plants production watt projector under steering feature what is the access solar engine expert India protector and ideas India based to building the solar plant India improvement economies many from China but also from United States then travel India companies hours and increase improvement country with never developer and industry the Communist Ministry of Lunch Inquiry the drumming and grow solar plant has been Hedry India's manufacturing said Roos should and manage directory then engineer system instead their loans of requirement plans government suspension international company edit copyright 2020 to 14. The digital plan acted the digital plan affect access management assignment scholarship inquiry fill registration to correct your business email sent please enter your valid business email at the rate please enter the valid email address registration for sale for like my video subscribe my channel for latest mission update thanks for watching